Our goal is to keep the original performance of Suzuki, as always, new. The reliability that only genuine parts can provide. The high quality and high performance demonstrated in strict endurance tests. Suzuki Craftsmanship and the passion of racers make the dreams of the world's enthusiasts come true. 8 types of Suzuki Service Kits keep your Suzuki running. Engine Maintenance Kit, Clutch Plate Kit, Drive Chain Kit, Brake Rebuild Kit, Fork Seal Kit, Wheel Bearing Kit, Steering Stem Bearing Kit, and for scooter riders, Drive Belt Kit. These revolutionary kits combine the essential parts for keeping your Suzuki's core performance and maintaining the optimum balance of an always like-new bike. Suzuki MotoGP test rider Nobuatsu Aoki all appreciate Suzuki Service Kits. What we wish to provide is the optimum balance. We racers also consider balance very important. If you do maintenance and overhauls using Suzuki Service Kits, you can bring those parts back to when your bike just came out of the factory and get back the feeling and optimum balance of a new bike. This is the greatest benefit Suzuki Service Kits provide. Recommended by Suzuki MotoGP test rider Nobuatsu Aoki, Suzuki Service Kits. To maintain your Suzuki or for a complete overhaul, you can trust Suzuki Service Kits. Get back the feeling and the excitement you felt when you bought your new Suzuki. Suzuki Service Kits.
Suzuki Way of Life.